These are the door panels for the Austin Healey BJ8 models. They're cut out of hardboard on our CNC machine. They are then foamed, metal bracket attached to the leading edge there, and trimmed. They can be trimmed in either vinyl ambler as original, which these have been, or in leather if you prefer. They have the elements of piping on the D-shaped parts as original. The D shape sits just behind the L shape. You can actually see that they're effectively trimmed completely independently of one another. So you have the D element there, then the L element, and they are riveted together. The blank itself has all of the pilot holes needed. So these two small pilot holes at the top here, they are for the door pull, the little pull handle at the top. This is a pilot hole for the actual door release mechanism handle, and this one at the bottom here is for the window winder. You then have all of the relevant fixing holes around the edge there, and as I say, you have the metal edge on the front there as per original specification. So yeah, vinyl or leather. See our website for more details.